Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Today we're going to be doing some brown stew chicken and white rice. There's the instruction on this screen, so just follow on. I wash my chicken, chop it up. I normally use chicken breast. I like chicken breast to use best. And I've washed it, it's all ready. I'm showing my season on this screen there. So now we're just going to add our season. We're going to use, I'm measuring for your benefit actually. I never really measure my season. I just dunk it in, which is a thing I've learned from back in Jamaica. So here we go. We have our chicken season going in. And then we have a bit of garlic granules. I love a well-seasoned food, so I'm adding all the little bits in. And there goes the browning. Like you see, we show you the browning earlier. That's what we use, not soy sauce or anything like that, because you need a nice rich color on your chicken. And you just stir that up together. You can leave it to marinate for a bit, or you can do it and cook it a bit whenever you're ready. Here we go with my trusted pot. Like I said, I cannot throw this pot away. I love it so much. It's old, but it's really thick and it's good, so I use it all the time. So you'll be seeing it over and over, but I promise I'll get a new one soon. So you just put your chicken in, and just about a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is heated, just get your chicken in, keep turning it. If you check your chicken, you'll know when it's sort of getting there, because it's not soft and jelly like anymore. It gets a bit firm, and you just keep tossing it, maybe about say 10 minutes. Then here I've got my chopped onion, my garlic, a bit of thyme, and I like to add these in so I can get the aroma going, and you'll see what I'll do in a little while. So our chicken seems all ready now, so we'll be dunking our seasoning at any time now. So there you go, it's nice and ready. All you do is just chop your onion and your thyme and crush your garlic, put them in, and that releases all the aroma, the nice taste, and get your chicken seasoned. Then you're going to add your water. Here we go, getting our water in. You might need about, say, 2 cups of water in there, depending on how much gravy you want really and how much chicken you're doing. And you can add a blob of ketchup, it's up to you. It adds flavor and nice color to your chicken as well. So your browning as well as a bit of ketchup in there gives it a nice brown color. Then of course a bit of ginger. I like a bit of ginger in my cooked down chicken, and a little bit of the good old Scotch bonnet pepper. So there you go. Put them in, leave it there to what we call to cook down for a bit. And then you can add a tablespoon of gravy granules just for body, just to make your gravy a bit thicker. And that's your chicken. And here now we're going to do our rice. Here we've got about 2 cups of boiling water. So we put it on a dash of salt, however much you want, or if you don't use salt, that's still okay. Leave your water, bring it to a boil. And then I've got 2 cups of rice. I like basmati rice, and that's really basmati rice there. So I'll have washed my rice, my water's ready. So now I'll just scrape my rice out in my pot. There you go, just get it all in, and then I just use a fork. I like to use a fork to stir it. One little tip: when you get your rice in your pot, just make sure your water is about 1.5 inches above your rice, and that should bring it to a nice boil. I keep opening it and checking it just for your benefit, for those who are not familiar with cooking rice, so turn your cooker really low, especially if you're using a gas cooker. Turn it down really low so you don't burn your rice, because rice burns easily. And if you notice, I keep doing all of this, open and check, so you can see how the rice cooks. It goes from lots of water down to whatever. And here's the finished product. Our brown stew chicken and rice is ready.